Welcome to another training. In this training, we're going to be able to answer one of our subscribers' question, the question he asked. One of our subscribers asked a question, and can get the question. Okay, that's Paul Sondobole. That's a question. He say, how do I block someone's indiscriminate mail to my Gmail? How do I block someone's indiscriminate mail to my Gmail? So, at times you may be getting emails, unsolicited emails, or emails that tend to harass you, and you want to block the sender. So, our friend want to know how he can block the sender's email address in his Gmail. Want to block it. So, it's very easy. What you can do is you go to your mail. Since I'm using my phone, can also be done in your laptop. And I'm using my Android phone. It's the same thing everywhere, both on phone and laptop. So just go to your Gmail. Let's block someone. I want to move to my Gmail now. Okay. I've opened my Gmail. Okay. Let's see someone to block. This is my mail, my Gmail. Okay, let me block root SMS. I click open. Okay, while the mail is open, you see a 3 dots at the extreme top left. These 3 dots, you see it there. Then just tap on it and it comes down. You see a drop down. Under that drop down, you see block the sender. Click on block, and then it will request you to say be careful with this message to block, give you this, and it can say block sender, report spam. It's already blocked. It asks you to unblock the sender, but you can want to report. You block at the same time, report the person as a spam or the sender email address as a spam. Click report spam. So automatically, this person's email address has been blocked and will no longer send mail. His mail will no longer get to your Gmail. And since this is just an example, as you go back to unblock the root SMS. So let me get back, open my mail, go to my spam folder. Okay, I've seen it there. I'll open it. Okay, and now say report not as spam. Click on it. Okay, I've done the report not as spam. It's no longer a spam. As you go back to my inbox, go back to my inbox, identify the mail, click on it, and then unblock the sender so that I can still receive mail from this sender's address. So this is how you can block sender's email address, report the sender's email address as a spam at the same time. Then you can also unblock the sender and report not as spam the sender's email address. I hope you do enjoy the training. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and then click the notification button. And I will appeal to you not to leave this video without leaving a comment. Please leave a comment either to like what the video is all about or to make a suggestion on how we can improve it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.